Good morning YouTube, good morning everyone. Welcome to another video. So, what time is it? It's probably it is 6:45 in the morning. So it's nice and cold and peaceful, quiet up here, and you got a nice view up of the mountain. Oh, beautiful. Day 2 here in camping site, and then we're gonna get ready for fishing, and we're gonna catch some fish. Hopefully we're gonna catch some fish, and then yay, those are pretty view of the mountain. Ooh. Yeah, and it's nice in here too, so nice and quiet. Ooh, oh yeah, nature. Oops. So cold in here. It looks like winter. So quiet, nice, and peaceful. Naghahanap sila ng punong ng kahoy na pwedeng kabitan ng duyan para maikabit namin yung duyan. Pero wala kami mahanap na nice spot para makabitan ng duyan. Pero iyan ang view. Yung sunset kalalabas lang ng araw. Ang ganda. Ang ganda doon. Ganda ng sunset. Yung sunset kalalabas pa lang niya. But yeah. Okay. Let's go back to the tent. And we're gonna go get ready for fishing. Whew, ang lamig. Grabe, ang lamig-lamig. Wala kaming mahanap na kahoy ng pagkabitan ng duyan. Sayang. Para magamit man lang yung duyan. Pero wala eh. Okay. So we're heading to the river now. Fishing na kami. And we're walking through the flat. We're gonna go fish. Oh, it's a grassy. Fisher. Oh, that's so bright. Yep, we're gonna go get fish. Fishing. Ooh, it's still cold. But fish. Ooh. Ooh. They're right there. Okay, find another spot. River. Yeah. Ang ganda ng view dito. Ayan yung bundok. Ang ganda-ganda ng view. Ayan yung ilog. Ooh. Blind me. Ito yung fishing ko. Pink. There you go. Pink fishing pole. Fishing pole. This is my fishing pole. And then we're gonna go find another spot to do fishing. Ooh, river. Where did it go? Let's lost. Okay, they're right there. Okay. Oh yeah. Ang ganda ng view dito. Oops. We're fishing. Hopefully we're gonna catch fish for lunch later.
Just got all the bait.
Did you get fish already? Fishing.
Sure, I have no bait.
No? There you go. They're coming. They're coming.
Lost the bait.
Enjoy the vacation. Where are you going?
Bait.
Oh, okay.
Gold? There's probably gold right here.
Really?
Yeah.
How did you just keep digging the ground?
No, you're good. Hand. It's like a plate with white edges.
Oh.
And you scurry. You just shake it around a lot. And the heavy stuff falls to the bottom, and the light stuff rocks.
Oh.
You can come out of the pan.
Yeah?
And you just keep it in the water. That's nice. Got a pin to keep everything separate. Okay, I better try.
Now he's crossing the roof. Oh, is it gone? Ooh!
It's a little uncomfortable to step on.
I would never do that. Like, oh, cold! He's crossing. I'm gonna do fishes to the middle. Is it hot in there? Yeah? Oh my god, you're far already. There you go. Ayun na siya. Ang layo niya na. It's a pretty nice view up of the mountain now. Hey, do you have the white camera on you? Okay, that's fine. Huh? Ayun na siya. Doon daw siya magpi-fishing sa gitna. There we go. Gonna do fish. And then let go the fishing pole. So, pabalik na kami. Wala kaming nakuhang fish. Pabalik na kami sa camp. Ayun sila. My fishing poles. Yay! We're on the road! Did you? I don't.
You got something weird crawling in you. But you won't feel them if they're on you.
Why? I don't feel it.
It's like a mosquito. Oh, get closer.
Like a mosquito?
Yeah, they're good at touching you without you feeling. You ain't ever had to deal with them, so I don't know if you'll check quite right.
No, I didn't check it. It is hot. I need to take off my jacket.
Here comes the car. Are you ready? Cross. Quick.
Where's the car?
Wait a second. Get across. Get all the way across.
Great.
Okay. Yeah. And so, ito, nandito ako sa loob ng tent. Yan yung tent. Ooh, messy tent. Let me show you what it look like. Yan sa loob ng tent. Oop. This is big. Like, 8 people can fit. Ang kalat. So, yep. Ito lang tayo sa loob ng tent. Tapos, ayan yung view sa labas ng tent. Woo! Ayan. Ang init. So, yep. We got a nice view. Oop, ayun, ang ganda ng view. Ganda-ganda ng view. Oh, ang ganda ng view. Nice view. Oh yeah, nature. Yay! Oops. Tapos ito yung tent. Tapos yan yung tent namin. Yan yung tent. Ito yung harapan. Upuan, chair namin. Fishing. Yung another upuan there. Another upuan. That's how we're gonna use to cook. Gas propane. There's the propane here for cooking, for fishing. Couple snacks. Maliit na kaldero. So, yan yung water. Ito yung cooler. Kung nasaan yung mga pagkain namin. Pagkain. Sa loob. Yan yung mga snacks namin. Kailangan keep and cool. Yan yung view. Tent namin. View. Nandoon sila. Gumagawa ng duyan. Really? Yun sila doon gumagawa ng duyan. Tapos yung view. Ito ang ganda ng view. Ayan yung view namin. Ayan yung tent. Tent, view, tent, car. Tuan. View. That's it. It's 11:05. They're cooking. They're cooking for lunch. So I'm just here walking around at the middle of the day. Walking around this side. Ang ganda-ganda naman dito. Tingnan natin. Oops. Ooh. Sana ba ako naligaw na ako? Init. But yeah. Videos. Yeah. Oh no. My battery is gonna be died soon. Only have 2 bar. I don't have any extra batteries at all. But yeah. We'll be leaving tomorrow morning. So by nature, I will see you soon again. Nangangalay na yung kamay ko. Ang bigat ng camera ko. Ang gaganda-ganda. Tingnan mo to. Cute. Oh, pine trees. Those are pine trees. Pretty trees though. So yeah. Okay, balik na nga ako sa... I'm gonna go back to the camp. So, I'm gonna go check if they're done cooking. Ang ganda dito. Nangangalay na yung kamay ko. Ooh. Saan ko ba pwede ipatong yung ano ko? Yung camera ko. Maybe here. I'm gonna set my camera here. And then, put it out. Oops. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, init. Pero ba umupo dito? Ah, sarap. Nature. Beautiful. Yan, kinakabit na ni Dan yung duyan.
What you call me?
Duyan. We call it in the Philippines duyan.
Duyan.
Hammock.
Did you guys know you're sitting in a duyan?
Duyan. When you swing the hammock, we call it duyan.
And when you're swinging, it's called duyan.
Yep, that's how we call duyan. I might need to go to the bathroom soon.
Get on it.
We go. Oh, there you go. Why is it like too long?
Here, hold this.
Okay.
Don't let it fall.
Sure. Did you smell my fart?
Did you smell my fart? But mine was better.
Is there a stinky? Oh, that's really nice. Later when the shades and the sun's like up, and then we have like a nice shade in here, and play around with the hammock, right, honey?
Yeah, I'm gonna go on the end here.
They're at the middle of the.
It's okay.
You can tie it a little bit long. Do we? So yay, we have a duyan. Duyan. Oh, hot. Let me see. Dumuyan na. Uh-uh.
It's not breaking yet.
Hopefully it's not.
Okay. So that gave